So in this video we're gonna talk about this Dell S2721HN monitors unboxing. Let's open this box and see what we got in this Amazon packaging box. Let's open it. So as you can see here, so this is the actual packaging of the monitor, and let's open this up. By the way, I have ordered this monitor on Amazon Prime Day sale. It cost me around 14,000 rupees including the offer, and by the way it took almost 4 days to reach at my location. And so this is a 27-inch full HD monitor. So the reason why I'm not editing my videos good until now is because I don't have a monitor. I have a small monitor which is almost, but this 27-inch monitor is 21 is by 9 aspect ratio monitor, but until now I have the monitor which you have 14 by 14 inch I think, or 16 by 16 aspect ratio monitor. So it's a small 14-inch monitor, so like it looks like a laptop monitor. So that's the reason I can't be able to edit in that monitor. So I have ordered this one for my editing purposes, and I can also code on this one. So that's the reason I have ordered this big monitor. I think it might be a 24-inch monitor type, because I think it might be a large, but I didn't expect this monitor in this large, because this monitor almost 24-inch diagonally, 27-inch diagonally and 24-inch widely. So it's a 16:9 aspect ratio monitor. So this is the actual picture of the monitor, and let's just adjust the camera angle. Okay, and now let's open up let's cut this seal. Let's break this seal and take a look at what we get inside this box. So let's open the box. So this is the correct angle. I have adjusted the camera angle. So let's take a look what we'll get in this box. It's a instruction manual, and it's a 16 amp power cord, and you need to buy separate 16 amp for the attached to this monitor power cord. So this is a stand. So it's a metal stand. It looks like very premium, and let's put this aside. And this will also get another HDMI cable. Yeah, it's a 2-meter long cable, so enough for your connectivity. And this is also a base stand. This is also really heavy, feels very heavy, but it's a plastic build, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels very heavy and premium. It's a back cover. So let's open up this cardboard box. Oh my god, this is very big. Yeah, this monitor feels very big and very large, so I think I need to use my two hands to pick up this monitor. So let's pick this monitor up, and yeah, this monitor is really heavy and big. It's really big monitor. So this is about the monitor's unboxing. Yeah, and let's peel this plastic cover off. So this is the how monitor looks. So this is a 27-inch monitor.